friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Pont-Viau is a charming neighborhood in Laval, Quebec. Located on the southern edge of Laval, Pont-Viau hugs the Rivière de Prairies, offering scenic views and a connection to Montreal via the historic Viau Bridge. Pont-Viau is named after the Viau Bridge, a vital crossing first constructed in 1847 as a wooden bridge. Over the years, it evolved into the modern structure we see today, playing a key role in linking Laval to Montreal and fostering development in the area. Before it became part of Laval in 1965, Pont-Viau was an independent village. In the mid-20th century, it underwent significant changes, including urbanization and the construction of new homes after World War II. Historically, the area also housed industries like the Pont-Viau foundry, which was a key part of the local economy but closed in the 1950s. Pont-Viau is a vibrant and diverse area today, known for its residential streets, small businesses, and proximity to natural attractions. Residents enjoy green spaces like parks along the river, and easy access to Montreal's cultural and economic opportunities. Whether you're strolling along the riverbanks, or enjoying the neighborhood's community spirit, Pont-Viau is a wonderful example of Laval's charm and its historical ties to the larger region.